This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Christina DiFilippo. Move right into this home located in Pinch. The upper level is your main living space, which has the kitchen/dining/living room as well as 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The basement features a half bath, laundry and huge rec room with a pellet stove. There is a 1-car attached garage and a driveway that will hold 4 cars. For more information, review the details below or contact Christina DiFilippo at 304-201-7653.